Hey guys, it's Business Monkey back with another video, and today we are watching some roasting. Fresh. And by what I mean by roasting, we are watching some roasting morgz. I know I did a video on stop roasting morgz, and now we're watching people roasting morgz. Let's just go with this TJ sprinkles.
Sprinkles here. Now, that thing up there tricked you.
4 seconds into the video, and she's like, "Va, va, va." Oh my god, look at that. Do you want me to keep it like that, guys? I can keep it really small if you want. No, not really.
Saying roasting morgz. I just wanted him to notice me. And morgz, if you're watching this, you are awesome.
Where's the video? Roasting morgz. Oh my god. Girl, I am so sorry. I thought you were roasting him. We'll see you in the next. Let's pick a different name, to be honest. Right, guys, I scrolled down and I found a new one. It's called Kid Roasts Morgz.
Hey guys, it's me, Ali, and right now I was watching morgz, and the video is called Little Kids Roast Me. And I'm freaking done with those kids. Like, they roast.
Oh my god, I'm not saying that because I think I've just picked another video. Kids roast morgz. Right, okay, it sounds like you're roasting morgz, but you're really not. I'm gonna find another one that actually roasting morgz. Right, guys, I'm sure we picked the right one today. Roasting morgz is called.
Morgz with SM11. MC Pookie.
Bad boy tune, man. Give it a minute.
Yes, morgz. You sound like a 15-year-old smoker and you don't know when you grow old. You're a little shit, why did you even do it? Your voice is like a frog. And you can't...
Sorry about that little thing that we just did. Well, I was just skip it back a minute. Sorry guys, I just need to listen to this again.
Yes, morgz. You sound like a 15-year-old smoker and you don't know.
A 15-year-old smoker. I'm telling you now, he's 15 years old, but he ain't no smoker. I'm sure of it.
When you grow old, you're a little shit. Why did you even...
What is that lighting? Well, I know my lighting gets bad sometimes, but not that bad. And kid, are you like 7? Why are you swearing? Oh no, I think I just skipped it back like 10 seconds.
Yes, morgz.
Good
You
line.
sound like a 15-year-old smoker and you don't know when you grow old. You're a little shit. Why did you even do it? Your voice is like
Bad boy music, man. Not really.
a frog. And you can't even jump on a log.
You can't even jump on a log. You are a frog. You can't even jump on a log. Kid don't know what he's talking about.
My boys are lethal. Your boys are shit.
Is that supposed to rhyme? Like, is that supposed to rhyme?
Nanny's better than yours in it.
Seriously, that lighting was so
Then
bad.
kids are right. We have to stop the YouTuber morgz. That was right, because you're a fucking little chore.
Bad video. Get to the next one. Let's just scroll down. Let's watch this.
So guys, welcome to a new video.
Oh no, it's somebody reacting to it, I think. Alright guys, we're going to end the video there. So make sure to like, subscribe, and look out for more videos. Bye bye.